Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel before watching the video. Stress is shown as the main source of some diseases and as an accelerating factor in the emergence of others. Today, it is almost in the first place among the causes of many diseases. In summary, it should not be forgotten that excess stress is harmful to health and creates a danger if it is not taken under control. There is a unique balance between organs, tissues, and cells in the human body. All organs are in communication with each other. When this balance is disturbed, the cell creates a stress response. The cause that disturbs the balance can be physical or emotional stress. First of all, the body tries to solve this wrong situation, and at the point where it cannot cope, diseases occur. The most important stress hormones are cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are synthesized from the adrenal glands located above the kidney. The order for the synthesis of these hormones is given by tiny structures in our brain. The effects are distracting. Cortisol has a rhythm of release during the day, and this is very important for body balance. Cortisol secreted in the morning hours is 10 times the value secreted at midnight. Therefore, it is important to live in accordance with this rhythm as much as possible. To summarize the effects of cortisol and adrenaline hormones secreted in an acute stress, heart rate and blood pressure increase, pupils dilate, blood flow in the muscles increases, and glucose is released from the liver. When the acute stress passes, all these events return to their normal balance. Since the stimulant factor in acute stress is temporary, the metabolism returns to its former order in a short time, but the effects of chronic stress are destructive and cause damage. The best example of chronic stress is the short-lived stray animals. While a cat living at home lives 15 to 20 years, the average lifespan of a stray cat is 7 to 8 years. In the cat, which always feels threatened, cortisol and adrenaline are secreted, and organs are damaged and life is shortened. What problems does it cause? With chronic stress, increased blood pressure, impaired immune system, fertility problems, heart diseases, and intestinal problems may develop. If acute stress is experienced repeatedly or if the stress becomes chronic, it can cause damage to the vessels. This increases the risk of hypertension, heart attack, or stroke. Stress also harms our immune system. In this context, excessive stress reduces our ability to fight disease. Chronic stress can lower testosterone and sperm production in men. It can even lead to impotence. In women, it can create changes in menstrual cycles and increase premenstrual problems. The ability of the intestines to absorb nutrients from the foods we consume may also be reduced due to stress. It can cause stomach pain, bloating, nausea, diarrhea, or constipation. In other words, even if the hormones appear within normal limits on paper, they are not sufficient at the tissue level. As a result, many symptoms such as weakness, fatigue, hair loss, weight gain, and sleep problems occur. Although stressful situations are inevitable, find hobbies for yourself. Don't race against time. Take deep breaths in your tense moments. Take a walk outdoors. See your friends more often. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.